Hey guys, today I'm working with a Kenmore upright 13 cubic foot freezer, and I just want to show you that everything on it's working properly. So I've got my surface temperature gun here. It's about 68.5 degrees Fahrenheit on the surface here. You can see is this thing in between those two red dots, it'll take a different measurement wherever it's at. So we'll go ahead and open this up, show you that everything's frozen like it's supposed to be. So we're negative 18, very cold in here. See the door shelves look good. We got a frozen bottle of water there. Nice clean on the inside and in excellent condition. Light works. There's the tag. I'll also have all that information in the ad, but like I said, I just like to take a minute and show that everything works good before you drive out, spend your money and all that. So we'll go ahead and get it listed up for sale. I do appreciate you taking the time to watch my video. Thanks.